Hello, everybody. Notice anything? No. I have a new avatar, complete with vital hand gestures, like hand open, hand closed, hand up. Anyways, back to the video. This is episode 3 of my making a pixel art Fnaf game series. Last episode, we worked on the basic mechanics of the game and just like some visual stuff and stuff like that. This episode, we're working on cameras and the movement of the animatronics. Let's get into it. So the software I use to develop games is called Gdevelop, and they recently had an update that added shadows and strokes to text. So I applied that to all the text in the game so far, and it actually looks really good in my opinion. Makes them look, better. After that, I added a little glitch transition when changing tabs on the computer, which also adds quite a bit. After that, I began working on the cameras, which definitely took the longest. I did a lot of these on stream, which the stream is actually still up, or the VOD of it if you want to watch that, it's 3 hours, so I can understand why you don't want to. So yeah, I drew them all, and we'll do a little slideshow.
Next up is the 2024 reigning champion, the Dream Killer, the Hope Shatterer. Passing!
Oh god, I hate this part. This part really sucks. To make you feel my pain, I'm going to be explaining how these animatronics pathing works. Okay, so this is what the code looks like. This part is just developer tools and is not important. This part says that if it's night 1, set these values to be the animatronics AI value, just like in the actual games. This Tyler position variable just says to start Tyler at the cam you should start at, which is the west drop. Below that is how the animatronics move. Tyler, Leo, and Vines all move in the same method. This method is a list of 1 through how many cameras are in their path, with each number representing the step in the staircase. The variable that sets the animatronic to how far they are in this list is the Tyler pause, Leo pause, or Vines pause for the respective character. Every 10 to 15 seconds, the selected character will have a movement opportunity, just like in the actual games. For them to successfully move 1 up on their list, it picks a random number between 1 and 20. If that number is smaller than the character's AI value, it'll move. This system seems pretty complicated, but it's actually very simple. After all that is done, this part just alters the cam so that the animatronic appears at the right camera. The second to last number on Tyler, Leo, and Vine's list are the door/vent, and the last number on everybody's list is the jump scare or death. That took forever. From here on out, no more nerdy shit. Okay, well that might not be entirely true. From that point, I just had to finish and set it up for all the animatronics. The reason I included only 3 out of the 5 animatronics in that explanation is actually because Razor and Pixeletta have completely unique mechanics, which I explained pretty well in part 1. Razor acts like Springtrap with the lures, and Pixeletta appears randomly on any screen and needs to be shocked. I'll finish up those 2 in part 4 because this part is already too long. I will also work on the tasks for every night and how the animatronics that are active change in every night. After I finish up all those boring mechanics related stuff, I'll finally get to work on the world building stuff like the schedules and the reports, lawsuits, and even the tapes and menu screens. On top of that, I still have to draw the animatronics for every room and all their iterations. Anyways, I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hold it 1 second. I was originally going to finish the episode here, but I actually went ahead and worked a little bit on the tapes. I made this one little image for when I eventually make the tapes, so here's a little teaser, I guess.